Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can use Headway app. So let's begin the video. First you have to go and you have to download that app. You can find this app in your app store. Here you have to search for Headway app. Here you can see that I have already installed, so I will just go and I will open. This interface will appear when you will open the app. Now for starting, simply click on continue. Now again on continue. Here in the Headway you will get a book summary about 15 minutes long of all the long typical books. Here in the Headway you can read the summary, even you can listen to the summary. Listening to anything basically increase your memory. Now here you have many options for creating account. You can continue with the Apple ID, Google ID or Facebook ID. If you already have an account, then you can log in, and if you are new, then you can create an account here. I will just go with my Google ID here. Now here you can see that almost 50 million people has chosen this app. Here you have to choose one key for realizing your potential. I will just go with motivation here and just simply click on continue now. Now here you have to select your gender and then age and then your goal. Here you can select up to 3 goals only. Here you have many options and then simply click on continue, and here then you have to choose your focus right now. Your skills, knowledge, discipline, whatever you are currently working on, you can choose from here. Headway basically give you key ideas in 15 minutes. You can read or you can listen. Here you have two options, and now here you have to select your goal, how many minutes you will read the summaries, and here they are asking you to make a commitment. You can make that and continue. And here they are asking when you like to find new ideas, when you like to read that. Here you can select one time duration. Even here you can set the alarm as well. Now here they want you to choose 3 titles in which you are interested. Here you have many options. You can select even more than 3 as well. Now just simply click on continue. Here now you have to make the commitment. You can put your thumb there and you can make your commitment. Now here you can see how their homepage look. Here in the far you can see all the books that they recommend you. Here on the top you can see your streak. You can see here your daily missions, your weekly growth as well. Now here you can see the books that we have saved before. And here you can also see the categories as well. Here you have this productivity, leadership, happiness and personalities. You can see here all the categories. Here you can see all the books related to productivity. Similarly here you can also see all the books related to happiness. Here you can see all the books, and that's how basically these work. And you also have many options for daily micro learning, and you can see here you have more to increase productivity, to boost your intelligence, more to achieve your life balance. And here you can also see many personalized challenge. Here you have Easter challenge, morning routine challenge. Like if you click on morning routine, here you can see that on day 1 you have to read Why We Sleep, on day you have to read Successful People, and on day 3, day 4 How to Make Your Bed, and day 5 The Miracle Morning. And what will you boost? Here you can see that you will boost self-discipline, time management and all these things. Here in the bottom you also have this explore option where you can go and you can explore about sport and fitness, and here you have this fiction as well. Here you can also go and you can see here the latest summaries as well. Here you have the collections as well. And next here you have this library where you can see all the things that you have saved, and in the activity you can see all your activity, how you are doing. Now for example, if we go and if we open any book here I have opened this Atomic Habit. Here you can see what's inside, where you can get idea like what is the main idea of the book, and here you can also see what you will learn and the key points as well. Here you can see that you have total 10 key points. Here you can go and you can read. For reading you have to buy their subscription plans. Here they have annually plans, they have this 3-month plan, and they have monthly plans. You can choose from these plans. If you want to listen, then you have to click on here listen. Again here you have to buy their subscription plans. You can even get a full book here. For that you have to click on get full book. Now here Amazon has been open next to us, and from here you can place your order and you can get your full book. Here you have to just select the quantity, how many books you want. Here you can choose as many as you want. I will just go with 1, and then you can click on buy now. That's basically all about how you can buy. And here you also have this streak option where you can see your daily progress, how you are doing. And if we share some of the reviews with you guys, how people think about this app. Here the first one says best self-investment, and here you have many more. Like here you have this very helpful and very easy, excellent app, and here you have this a great way to learn new things. and I started small. Now I'm doing very great. Here you can see great app for motivation and inspiration. Here you have this life-changing app, and you can see here 100% recommended. And here you have this helpful, fun, and Headway saved me my time. Here you can see that this app is really helpful, really worth it. Highly recommend. So I also highly recommend you this app. Do give this app a try. This app will save your both time and energy. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.